central Logan County in western Arkansas, southern Pope. POPE County in central Arkansas, northeastern Yell County in central Arkansas, until 6:45 p.m. At 6:14 p.m., National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a severe thunderstorm capable of producing quarter-size hail and damaging winds in excess of 60 miles per hour. This storm was located 2 miles northeast of Mosley, or 7 miles southwest of Russellville, and moving northeast at 50 miles per hour. Locations impacted include Russellville, Carroll, Pottsville, Petit Jean River Wildlife Management Area, Mount Nebo State Park, Mosley, London, Lake Dardanelle State Park, Lake Dardanelle, Lake Hatkins, Hector, Hattieville, Happy Bend, Gala Creek Wildlife Management Area, Dover, Dardanelle Lock and Dam, Dardanelle, Broomfield. This includes interstate